Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is not just a common kitchen ingredient, but a superfood with countless scientifically proven health benefits. Known as an effective aid for improving gut health and supporting weight loss, ACV has become a top choice for many on their journey to enhance their quality of life. Today, let's delve into the compelling reasons why you should incorporate ACV into your daily diet. Part 1. Who discovered apple cider vinegar, and when and where? Apple cider vinegar has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations. According to researchers, the Babylonians were the first to invent apple cider vinegar around 5000 BCE. Babylon was a powerful empire located in what is now Iraq. The Babylonians discovered the natural fermentation process of apple juice and used this product not only as a seasoning but also as a medicinal remedy. Later, around 400 BCE, Hippocrates, often referred to as the father of modern medicine, began using apple cider vinegar to heal wounds and improve overall health. Hippocrates frequently combined apple cider vinegar with honey to create natural remedies that supported digestion and provided antibacterial properties. This demonstrates the significant role apple cider vinegar played in traditional medicine thousands of years ago. Part 2. When did science start encouraging its use? Although apple cider vinegar was widely used in folk medicine for centuries, it wasn't until the 20th century that modern science began to pay attention to its benefits. In the 1950s, Dr. D.C. Jarvis, an American physician, published the famous book Folk Medicine, A Vermont Doctor's Guide to Good Health. In this book, he emphasized the role of apple cider vinegar in improving health, including weight loss, boosting energy, and aiding digestion. From then on, apple cider vinegar gained wider recognition from both the medical community and consumers. By the 1970s, scientific studies started to reveal that apple cider vinegar could help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and support weight loss. Especially in the early 21st century, larger-scale studies confirmed that apple cider vinegar could promote heart health, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Thanks to these findings, apple cider vinegar officially became widely encouraged for use in a healthy diet. Part 3. The role of apple cider vinegar in weight loss and overall health. 1. Kills harmful bacteria. ACV contains acetic acid, a compound with powerful antibacterial properties, particularly effective against E. coli and other harmful pathogens. A balanced gut microbiome not only strengthens immunity, but also improves mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. Adding ACV to your diet can prevent digestive issues like diarrhea and bloating. 2. Benefits for gut microbiota. ACV is rich in polyphenols, a group of plant compounds that nourish beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria not only improve digestion, but also play a crucial role in immune system health. Consuming ACV after fasting can optimize the growth of healthy microbiota, enhancing nutrient absorption from food. Additionally, the organic acids in ACV help balance gut pH levels, preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. 3. Improves insulin sensitivity. Taking 2 tablespoons of ACV after a carbohydrate-rich meal has been shown to significantly enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Drinking ACV before bedtime not only supports blood sugar control, but also helps you wake up with more stable energy levels. Better blood sugar management also helps reduce unnecessary nighttime cravings. 4. Boosts heart health. The acetic acid in ACV helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, protecting the cardiovascular system. Some studies suggest ACV can lower blood pressure, improving vascular health and reducing heart strain. Moreover, the polyphenols in ACV have antioxidant properties, shielding heart cells from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Increases satiety and reduces calorie intake. ACV helps you feel fuller for longer, thereby reducing calorie intake at each meal. a particularly useful tool for weight management. By slowing down carbohydrate digestion, ACV prevents sudden blood sugar spikes after meals. Pairing ACV with fiber-rich foods can double its effectiveness in calorie control. 6. Fat burning and ketosis. Support. ACV stimulates the liver to produce more ketones, supporting ketosis during a keto diet or intermittent fasting. By enhancing fat-burning processes, ACV helps you lose weight more effectively without drastic dietary changes. Studies show that combining ACV with a diet rich in healthy fats can double the weight loss rate. 7. Long-term weight loss benefits. A 3-month study demonstrated that regular ACV consumption significantly reduced BMI, waist circumference, and triglyceride levels. In addition to aiding weight loss, ACV increases HDL, good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, ACV helps combat chronic inflammation, a leading risk factor for obesity and metabolic disorders. 8. Improves digestion and nutrient absorption. ACV enhances the production of stomach acid, improving digestion, and allowing better absorption of essential nutrients like calcium and iron. Its natural enzymes aid in breaking down complex foods, reducing digestive discomfort. Regular consumption may help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux by balancing stomach acidity. Part 4. Which country uses apple cider vinegar the most today? Today, the United States is the largest consumer of apple cider vinegar in the world. The main reason is that apple cider vinegar has become an indispensable part of many Americans' diets. Renowned brands like Bragg have played a significant role in popularizing apple cider vinegar through organic products and marketing campaigns, highlighting its health benefits. Additionally, the healthy living movement in the United States, with the popularity of diets like keto, paleo, and Whole30, has further fueled the demand for apple cider vinegar. Many Americans consume apple cider vinegar daily to aid weight loss, regulate blood sugar, and improve digestive health. The convenience of bottled apple cider vinegar products and alternative forms like capsules or ready-to-drink solutions has also contributed to its popularity. Besides the United States, other countries like the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia also have high consumption rates of apple cider vinegar. In Asia, Japan and South Korea are among the countries with a growing trend of using apple cider vinegar, driven by their focus on natural health products. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar is an excellent choice for enhancing overall health, from aiding weight loss and improving gut health to boosting insulin sensitivity and heart health. However, it's important to remember that ACV works best when used correctly and combined with a healthy lifestyle. Try incorporating ACV into your daily routine and share your experiences with us in the comments section. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.